Thank you for tuning in to part 2 of DIY Flaxseed Gel. So now that I have made the flaxseed gel, I'm going to apply it to my hair. My hair is freshly washed. There's absolutely nothing in my hair. This is exactly what it looks like when there's nothing in it. It's still not completely dry, but it's fine because I'm going to re-wet it anyways. So I'm only going to be using the flaxseed gel. So first I'm going to start by wetting all of my hair and then I'll move on to the gel. So my hair is completely wet. I kind of scrunched it with a microfiber hair towel to kind of like stop it from dripping. It doesn't have to be completely saturated with water. You just want it a little bit damp. You don't want it to be dry. This way that the gel, interacts with your hair. It's pretty much just like regular hair products that you would use. So now I'm going to start actually putting the flaxseed gel in my hair. The things that I am kind of concerned about is that it's not going to be enough of products, because usually I use more than one product. So this is going to be literally a one product wash and go, and we're going to see. So let's get into it. Okay, one, if you hear a little jingling in the background, that's my kittens. If you hear scratching, that's also my kittens. Please try to ignore it. They just woke up. They're running around playing. Anyways, so my hair now has flaxseed gel all through it. I'm also going to show you the dry results. I just want to talk about it like, review. Like truly amazed, because the slip that this flaxseed gel gives is amazing. I don't know if you can see, but like it's super moisturized as well. It just looks super good. I can tell that it's just going to look amazing when it comes out. I just wonder how much shrinkage I'm gonna get, because it's a natural product. It's not like, a processed product that I usually use, and those products usually give me a lot of shrinkage. Not to my cats. Like I said, please just don't mind them. I'm just interested to see like how much shrinkage it gives me, how much volume I have, everything. But I know it's gonna come out looking pretty good. The other thing that I recommend also, raking it in and really working with the product, really working it into your hair, because it is very slimy. The only thing is that it doesn't feel sticky though. Like I don't feel like residue left on my hands at all. And I like that. And the fact that it's natural, it literally has no sulfates, no anything. Any of those things that we like try to find products that don't have it, it literally has none of those things. Highly recommend. First of all, it's super easy to make. How fast I made it, it was literally so quick. Warning, you might see little ears pop up in the background or hear fighting, but that's just my kittens. Not hit me in the face. Okay, so this is my hair now. It has a cast on it. I'll come a little closer so you guys can see. As you can see, it has a cast on it, which is amazing because the way that it was, it doesn't seem like it was going to get a cast like this hard, you know? But I love when I have a cast like this. When I break it with some oils or whatever, this usually lasts me a long time. Like when I get a cast like this, my wash and goes last a long time. I'm going to break the cast now. So I have like enormous clumps in my hair, which is beautiful. Like, it's beautiful. And the shine is amazing. I'm not going to separate the clumps, probably gonna do it tomorrow because I'm gonna go to sleep like this. Thank you so much to Bianca Renee. I followed her video and she followed somebody else's video. I don't want to butcher the person's name, so I'm not gonna say it out loud. I'll probably link that person down below. If you are a naturalista, you know Bianca Renee. Period. You need to try this. That's just numero uno. You need to try this. And then secondly, you need to like this video, comment, and share with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And the other button that's right next to it, I think it's called the bell. Yeah, it's called the bell. Make sure you hit the bell so you never miss a video. If you are new here, thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for wandering over to my channel and watching my videos. But until next time, bye.